Hello friends, in the earlier video we learned about how to simplify Boolean expression through using postulates. Now as we have seen through examples also that using postulates can be actually a little lengthy and sometimes you might get confused and even a single step can lead to the wrong expression. So we use an easier method which is K-map, and K-map is a graphical method. So it is consisting of rows and columns, and for n variables we will be having 2n cells. So what are cells? If I have some rows and columns, so this will be a cell. Now if I have an expression like this, then I will have total number of variables as 3, a, b, c. A bar is not counted as a different variable. Then the number of cells can be calculated as 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 3, which is equal to, there will be an 8 cell K-map. So we come to the first example, which we will talk about two variables. So two variables mean that number of cells can be calculated as 2 to the power n, which is 4. Now I can have such type of a construction or such type of a construction. So let us assume I have these two variables a and b. Then here I can write a and here I write b. I can also write b and a, but this is my preference right now. Now the first thing I want to tell you is that Boolean value 00 is having decimal value as 0 and Boolean value 01 has a decimal value as 1. While 10 is having decimal 2 and 11 is having 3. In case you don't know how to convert it, then there is a simple trick. Write 1, 2, 4, 8 and then write whatever Boolean value you have. For example, I have 0, 0, 1. Then I multiplied 0 with 1, which is 0. Then 2 with 0, which is 0, and 4 with 1, which is 4, and then I add it. So this will give me 4. Now if I have 1 and 1, then this is going to be 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1, which is going to give me 3, as I can also see from this result. So if I have a number, Boolean number as 111, it will be 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is 7. So I can write it 7. 101 will be 4 plus 0 plus 1, which is 5. So one thing I should know is that I have to change bit by bit. A can have one bit which is 0 or 1. B also can have only one bit whose value can be either 0 or 1. Suppose it was AB. Then it can have 4 values 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So I write one bit here which will be 0. And then I have to change this. So it will become 1. The same thing I do for B. For B I can write 0 and 1. But suppose here I have AB value. Then I'll have 4 columns. Now I can have 0, 0 as the value. Then I change this bit. So it can have another value which is 1. Now I change this bit. Remember, in 0, 1 I am not going to change this bit because otherwise it will come to 0, 0 and 0, 0 value has already been done. So this is going to be 1, 1. And now this bit is going to change, so it is 1, 0 now. I can name this cell as, this cell can be named as M0 since it has a decimal value 0. This can be named as M1 because it is going to have value 0, 1. Now M11, as you see it is M3, not M2. So this is going to be M3 and this is going to be M2. Same here. So this is going to become 0 and then 0, which is also an M0 combination. Then I am going to write 0 and 1, which will be M1. Then 1 and 0, which will be M2. And then 1 and 1, which is going to be M3. Similarly, if I have 3 variable K map, then the number of cells become 2 power 3, 8. Now suppose I have 3 variables as A, B and C, then I can write AB as here and C here. Now AB can have 0, 0, then I will change this bit. It becomes 0, 1, I change this bit. It becomes 1 and 1 and I change this bit, 1 and 0. While C has only 1 bit, so 0 will become 1. So now the combination will be of 3 bits. For example, this cell, it will be 0 and then 00, which is this combination. So hence M0. The next cell will be 0, then 01. So this will be this combination, M1. Next combination will be 011, which is this combination, M3, not M2. The next combination is 010, which is M2. Next combination will be 100, 4, 101, 5, 111 will be 7. It will be 7. And the last is 110, M6. You can again see, suppose I am taking this combination right now, 110, 110, then you multiply it and then add. So this is going to give me 0, this is going to give me 2, and this is going to give me 4, and then I add it. It will give me 6, which is the decimal value. So this was part 1 of the video of K-maps. So please do watch the next part. My purpose was to teach you the basics of K-map in this video, and I hope you have learned it well so that you can reduce the expressions in an easier form. So basics must be strong. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.